Oh, to the couples out there, this is a day of love. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's only for the couples and the people who have partners, but you can also gift your family members, friends, gifts, and also flowers. It doesn't necessarily mean it has to be the partners.
It's expensive. People are saying flowers are expensive. Flowers are not expensive. Honestly, if you get such a bouquet from someone, you'll generally be happy about it.
For Valentine's, as you said, we expect more customers today. For the bouquets that we have today, the price ranges from 3,000 to 3,500 nani water bouquet. So yes, and I also want to wish my girlfriend a happy Valentine's.
Nimeamka hapa asubuhi, nimekuja kazi, but kazi si mbaya, tuna hope watu watakuja na tutapata kazi. I wish you all of everybody happy Valentine's Day.
Today I was expecting high deliveries, high nini, but by bado masaija fika bado, but hope before the day ends I should have the good deliveries. I want to wish all Kenyans happy Valentine's, to all women, to all ladies, to all men, happy Valentine's.